In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Affinity Designer. If you're working on a design and want to quickly refresh the look of your text, changing the font is one of the fastest ways to do it. I'll walk you through the essentials so you can make the switch confidently and see your updates instantly. First, open the Affinity app on your computer and load the document you're working on. Give the canvas a second to render, and make sure you can see the text you want to modify. If your interface looks different, don't worry, tool locations can vary slightly by version, but the process is the same. Next, click on the text you want to change. You can use the Move tool to select the entire text object or switch to the Text tool if you plan to edit the contents. If you have multiple layers, you can also select the text layer from the Layers panel to be precise. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or a blinking cursor. Now, highlight the text. Double-click to enter text editing mode, then drag across the words you want to change. If you want to change the font for all the text in that object, use the shortcut to select all, Command-say on Mac, or Control-say on Windows. If you only need a specific word or line to have a different font, just highlight that portion. At the top left of the screen, look for the font control in the context toolbar. Click on the font name to open the font family drop-down. This list shows the fonts installed on your system. You can type to search by name and you'll usually see a live preview as you move through the list. If you don't see the dropdown, make sure your text is highlighted. The font controls only appear when you're editing text. Finally, choose the new font. Click the font family you want, and, if needed, pick a style like regular, bold, or italic from the adjacent style dropdown. Many fonts also include weights like light, medium, or semi-bold. Select the one that best fits your design. Keep an eye on spacing and readability as the font changes. Some typefaces run wider or tighter than others. If a font doesn't support certain characters or symbols in your text, try another font with broader glyph support. When you're happy with how it looks, click away from the text to apply the change. That's all you need to change fonts in Affinity Designer. With a few clicks, you can refresh your design and keep your typography consistent and polished.